Ever wish you could transform your garden into a blooming paradise without a green thumb? Well, I've got you covered with these easy gardening hacks every beginner needs to know. Hack number 1. Save those eggshells, crush them up and add them to your garden soil. Why? They're packed with calcium, which helps plants grow strong roots and prevent blossom end rot. Plus, they're free and eco-friendly. Talk about a win-win. Hack number 2. Plant markers don't have to be boring. Grab some wooden sticks, old spoons or rocks and get creative. Write plant names or even draw cute little designs. Not only will your garden look amazing, but you'll never forget what's growing where. Bonus, you can totally customize your markers for a touch of personality. Hack number 3. Here's a cool trick for your indoor plants. Use ice cubes to water them. Just drop a few on the soil and they'll slowly melt, providing a steady supply of moisture. No more overwatering or soggy soil. This is perfect for busy gardeners who want to keep their plants happy without the constant attention. Hack number 4. Don't throw away those coffee grounds. They're packed with nitrogen, which helps your plants grow strong and healthy. Just sprinkle a little around your plants and watch them thrive. And hey, it's a great way to recycle. Plants love it, and so will the environment. Hack number 5. Got some extra potatoes? Instead of throwing them away, slice them up and plant them in your garden. Each slice with an eye will sprout into a brand new potato plant. It's an easy, budget-friendly way to grow your own potatoes. Who knew potatoes could be so low maintenance? Hack number 6. Here's a quick fix for protecting your plants from the cold. Use an old t-shirt as a cloche. Just drape it over your plants during chilly nights to protect them from frost. It's a simple, sustainable way to keep your plants cozy when the temperature drops. Hack number 7. Make your plants best friends. Companion planting is when certain plants help each other grow. For example, basil keeps pests away from tomatoes, and marigolds attract beneficial bugs to your garden. It's like creating a plant community. They'll help each other thrive. How cool is that? And that's a wrap. With just these simple hacks, you'll be on your way to a thriving garden in no time. No expertise needed. So, which hack are you going to try first? If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening hacks and tips. Drop a comment below and tell me what gardening hacks you love, or share your own secret tips with the community. Happy gardening!